Want to know the 5 most powerful binary option trading strategies? Let's dive right into it. Binary options trading is a method of investing in the financial market where you predict whether the price of a particular asset will rise or fall within a certain time frame. If your prediction is correct, you win. If not, you lose. Simple, isn't it? However, the simplicity of binary options trading can be deceptive. It requires a deep understanding of market trends, asset volatility, and risk management. That's where trading strategies come into play. These are systematic methods designed to increase your chances of making accurate predictions. From trend following to risk reversal, different strategies cater to different trading styles and market conditions. Understanding and applying these strategies can be the key to your success in binary options trading. So, are you ready to take your trading game to the next level? Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 most powerful strategies that can help you excel in binary options trading. The first strategy on our list is the trend strategy. The essence of this approach lies in its name. You follow the trend. This could be an upward or downward trajectory. Once you've identified the direction, you place your trade accordingly. The beauty of the trend strategy is its simplicity. It doesn't require complex calculations or intricate charts. All you need is a keen eye on market movements and the boldness to make your move. It's the perfect strategy for beginners dipping their toes into the world of binary options trading. So, if you're just starting out, this could be your go-to strategy. Remember, the trend strategy is simple but effective. It's a great starting point for beginners. Next up is the Pinocchio Strategy. This strategy is all about identifying pin bars, which are essentially price bars with long tails and small bodies. These pin bars are indicators of a potential reversal in the market trend. To put it simply, they're like the Pinocchio's nose, signaling a lie in the market's current direction. But it's not as simple as spotting a pin bar and placing your trade. Timing is everything here. You need to be able to swoop in at the right moment just as the reversal is happening. It's a strategy that demands a keen eye for detail and impeccable timing, but don't be discouraged. With practice, you can master this strategy and it can be highly lucrative. The Pinocchio strategy requires a keen eye for detail and perfect timing, but once mastered, it can be highly lucrative. Third on our list is the Straddle Strategy. Picture yourself holding a pair of reins, one in each hand. The Straddle Strategy works much the same way. This approach involves placing 2 trades simultaneously, a call and a put. Like holding reins, you're betting on the market moving in one direction or the other. The beauty of this strategy is that it allows traders to profit from market volatility. Imagine a bucking bronco. It might be a wild ride, but if you've got a firm grip on both reins, you stand to gain no matter which way the horse jumps. It's a bit of a high-risk, high-reward scenario, so buckle up, traders. The straddle strategy is perfect for those who thrive in volatile markets. The fourth strategy we will cover is the risk reversal strategy. Akin to a game of chess, this approach requires tactical precision and a keen understanding of the market's ebbs and flows. At its core, the risk reversal strategy involves placing 2 trades simultaneously on the same asset. Yes, you heard it right, 2 trades, 1 call and 1 put. Imagine it as hedging your bets on a single asset. The beauty of this strategy lies in its aim to minimize losses and maximize gains. It's a delicate balance, but when executed correctly, it can yield promising results. Often this strategy is a favorite among seasoned traders due to its risk mitigation potential. So, as we delve deeper, remember, the risk reversal strategy is a favorite among seasoned traders due to its risk mitigation potential. Last but not least, we have the hedging strategy. This is a strategy that's all about safeguarding your investments. Imagine you've placed a call trade predicting the price of an asset will rise, but what if the market moves against you? That's where the hedging strategy comes into play. Instead of sitting idle and potentially losing your investment, you place a put trade on the same asset. This put trade predicts the price will fall. So if the market does move against your original call trade, your put trade can balance out the losses. It's like having an insurance policy for your trade. This strategy can be a lifesaver in volatile markets. It allows you to continue trading even when the market isn't behaving as you expected. Remember, it's not just about making profits, but also about protecting what you already have. The hedging strategy is all about playing safe and protecting your investments. As we wrap up our comprehensive guide on binary options trading strategies, let's remind ourselves that trading isn't just about strategies, it's about discipline, patience, and careful analysis of the market. Each of the strategies we've discussed today, trend, Pinocchio, straddle, risk reversal, and hedging, has its own strengths and weaknesses. And it's important to understand them fully before diving in. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all strategy. What works for one trader might not work for another. It's all about finding the strategy that fits your trading style and risk appetite. And of course, never forget the golden rule of trading. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Trading can be a rewarding journey if navigated with caution and knowledge. So take the time to educate yourself, practice these strategies on a demo account before going live, and always stay informed about market trends. Remember, the key to successful trading is continuous learning and adaptation. That's it for our top 5 binary option trading strategies. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more trading tips and strategies. Happy trading!